Come on up, big boy.
We.
Hey, buddy. Oh. Two halves. What's this? Good boy. Right. Ethan, you watch it. We don't want a repeat of the other day. Ethan. Right. Right. Sorry, Stephen. If Ethan's advancing, things just get a little scary. Right, Ethan, then this doesn't work if you start advancing on us. We've got a good system here, right? Stephen, please, wait a minute. You're really making things difficult.
Suck it, bitch.
God's sake, son. I know you can understand me. That's the thing. Stephen does.
We.
You're getting a little bit too big for your boots. You're starting to act like Stephen. And in this world, Ethan, there can only be one Stephen. So... Nah, it's fine. It's fine. On you go.